guys, it's Mrs. Buitenbeentje. I wanted to take you on a journey of me sewing a culotte, and that is one for my spring fashion mood board. It kind of became the summer fashion mood board. This is the end of my work day, and so I'm just showing you what I usually do, besides inspiring you, showing that it's actually possible. Now I have on my bathrobe because I feel a little cold and a little tired, so but other than that, in the clip that is going to follow, you'll see a time lapse of me tracing with thread, because although I've been sewing for a few years, I still do that, and cutting through the threads. What I did off camera is overlock all of my seams except for what is right below the zipper fly. That's the only piece that I didn't do, and I'm going to follow the instructions that Burda provided in their workshop. You guys, while I was editing, I noticed that my video was a little off. And fact is, lesson learned, a tip for you guys, is you cannot shoot a video in time lapse and then slow it down after the fact, post-production. It doesn't work. My lips are a little crusty, but it doesn't work. I showed you what I could have salvaged of it, but other than that, I followed the instructions, the workshop, to a T. And it was great that it had this picture, because you guys know me and Burda, we don't always understand each other. So that's something what I definitely liked about this workshop. It was pretty detailed. It has 16 steps to success. So for our pants, it's really awesome. Like I'm not sure if I mentioned it, but the only part that I found a little difficult is the fly. But it's this because this is only the third time that I inserting a zipper fly in a pants. I think because the depiction that made it very clear as to what I was supposed to do. And like I said, or maybe like I showed you guys, so there is a little bit of pulling going on here, but I think it has to do with the zipper. It is not that the pants is tight. The pants is not tight at all. And if it looks like my shirt is different, it is because it's the next day. Yeah, so that is the only thing. So the only thing that I would do in order to conceal this a little bit is just to wear something like either over it so nobody sees anything, or live my truth, which is presenting it this way. In terms of the poplin, the fabric, which is a cotton poplin, it has the same features, characteristics as cotton. The only thing what I don't like about this is that it creases a lot, and I would almost say that it is a linen fabric because the amount of creases. So in terms of the poplin, I mean, it was really easy to sew it. It's a very steady fabric and it holds shape really well. You know, it's particularly good in some warmer weathers, but the creasing is not flattering at all. It isn't, I'm telling you, it just isn't. And so it's nice for a one-time wear. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid to comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey. And you have a great day. Bye.